how to change ESPN Fantasy Draft order. In this short video, we will show you how to change your ESPN Fantasy Draft order. So first, go over to your browser and enter your website, which is espn.com. Now, after browsing on the internet and finding the link, they will show you this website, and then you can now go to access your account. So go to this icon right here and then go to sign in. So now that you have logged in your account, hover your mouse to Fantasy and then click on Fantasy Home. Once it's loaded, you can now go over to the league that you want to make changes. So now, as you can see, I have my example right here. And then go over the top bar. Just remember that you should be the league manager. So if not, these options will not show up. So now hover over until you can find LM Tools. Now, once you have seen LM Tools, you can now click on your draft order. But technically, when you click on it, it will show that this page is only available for leagues with manual order type only. So now let's go back to the settings and then go to Edit Draft Settings. You have to go to Draft Settings below and then find Draft Order. Once you found it, click on this and then set your draft order to manual and then save changes. After you have saved the changes, you can now go back to LM Tools right on this side, and then you can now change your draft order. So now, once you have seen the list that you have already, you can now click on Edit, and then it's time for you to change your position. So now, once you have done your changes, you can now click on Save Changes. Okay, continue to League Office. And that's how you can change your draft order on your league. Hope this video helped you, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.